going to do a lead change through here in a minute, so. Good boy. She's going to come through the middle and do a lead change. Go through the middle here and do a lead change. Maybe.
Look, here comes the horse. You gotta...
Are we in your way? Yes. Open. That was not what I wanted to do.
Inside leg, Sarah. Inside leg. Hard. There you go. Good girl.
And then she's going to come through here too. I don't know where though.
Wait, don't get run over by the horse here. We should move. Here comes the horse. Here it comes. Here it comes. Keep it really straight inside leg now. Good.
Oh, we already got it before I even got there.
All right, Sarah, that's great.
That's good.
We're good.
We got it.